There's a quiet force in finance, invisible, patient, but unstoppable. It doesn't rush, yet over time it builds fortunes. That force is compound interest, the power that makes money grow even while you sleep. If you truly understand it, it can change your financial life forever. Today, we'll explore how money multiplies through compound interest and why investing is far more powerful than just saving. Welcome to Fiscal Forge Academy. Let's start simple. Compound interest means earning interest not only on your original amount, but also on the interest you've already earned. In short, it's interest on interest. That's what makes it so powerful. If you invest $1,000 at 10% annually, after 1 year, you have $1,100. In the next year, you earn interest on that $1,100, not just the original $1,000. Over time, your money begins to grow faster and faster. This is the magic of compounding. Albert Einstein once called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Those who understand it, earn it. Those who don't, pay it. The formula is simple. A equals P times 1 plus R over N, raised to the power of N times T. That means your final amount equals your principal multiplied by the growth rate, raised over time. The more often it compounds, daily, monthly, or yearly, the faster it grows. But the real secret isn't in the math, it's in time. Time is the single most powerful factor in compounding. Let's compare two people. Brian starts investing at 20, saving just $100 a month for 10 years, then stops. Alex waits until 30 and saves the same amount every month until 60. Who ends up with more? Brian. Because his money had 10 extra years to compound, and that early start gave him an unbeatable advantage. The lesson? It's not about how much you invest, it's about when you start. Compounding starts slow, almost invisible. Then suddenly, it accelerates. That's the snowball effect. What starts as a small roll becomes an unstoppable force downhill. $10,000 growing at 10% becomes $26,000 in 10 years. But in 30 years, it grows to over $170,000. That's not magic. That's mathematics plus patience. Here's an easy shortcut. The rule of 72. Divide 72 by your annual interest rate, and you'll know how many years it takes your money to double. At 8%, your money doubles every 9 years. At 12%, every 6. It's a simple way to visualize compounding in action. If you invest $1,000 at 10% compounded monthly, after 20 years, you'll have about $6,700. But if that money sits in a savings account at 3%, you'd only have about $1,800. That's the difference between saving and investing. One keeps your money safe, the other helps it grow. And if you invest $100 every month for 30 years at 10%, you'll end up with over $200,000. That's what consistency and time can do. Let's clear this up. Saving is about safety and liquidity, money you might need soon. Investing is about growth and wealth creation over time. Savings accounts are perfect for emergencies or short-term goals, but inflation slowly eats away at your savings value. If inflation is 5% and your bank pays 3%, you're actually losing 2% in purchasing power. Investing, on the other hand, helps you beat inflation and grow your wealth, even if it involves some risk. That's why the wealthy invest, not because they're lucky, but because they understand how money works. You should always have some savings first, an emergency fund for sudden expenses. But once that's set, let your extra money work for you through investing. Saving protects your money. Investing grows it. And when you combine both wisely, you build long-term financial security. Compounding tests patience. In the early years, progress feels slow. But stay consistent. The rewards come later. Most people quit too early because they expect instant results. Yet compounding only rewards those who stay. Morgan Housel wrote in The Psychology of Money that wealth is not built through brilliance but through endurance. That's the truth. The longer you stay invested, the more unstoppable your growth becomes. Picture two friends, Brian and Alex. Same salary, same job. Brian starts investing early. Alex waits, thinking he'll start when he earns more. Decades later, Brian's investments have quietly grown into a fortune. Alex works harder but never catches up. That's the difference between understanding compound interest and ignoring it. Your greatest advantage is not money, it's time. Warren Buffett once said, "Someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago." That's what compounding is. Planting financial seeds today that grow into shade for your future. Ray Dalio calls it the snowball of wealth. Einstein admired it as one of the most powerful forces in the universe. And history proves them right. Every great investor leverages compound growth to build wealth that lasts generations. Compound interest is more than a financial formula. It's a life lesson. It teaches patience, consistency, and the reward of long-term vision. You don't need to be rich to start, but you must start to become rich. Start small, stay consistent, and let time multiply your effort. The best time to begin was yesterday. The second best time is today. Your future self will thank you for every shilling, every dollar, and every moment invested with purpose. This is Fiscal Forge Academy, helping you understand money so money can start understanding you.